Ka Sarkar Jela Hagasni sedang jongkador barsenrai kabalalong haka kendai trek unai luar arhajar arpuar. Kalau Wanrah eka kaiphod jingtohkit jangka commission kabala tohkit halor ke Jingshah Siat diap unang ilam berim ka HNLC Bah Cheristerfiled Thangkhiew. Bad ikani ka kaiphod la Wanrah do menteri rang ba ka Jela ukonrat kongkal sangma haki yang dor bartauan jong ka Jela.
Wi-Fi Commission of Inquiry. Chief Minister, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the report of Honorable Justice Wi-Fi Commission of Inquiry.
Hakini kesni sedang jongkador barsenrai ke Sarkar Jela lang bau menteri rang ba kalau Wanrah eka kaiphod jong ke Inquiry Commission jong Justice T Wi-Fi. Kabatohkit ke Jingshah Siat diap jong Bah Cheristerfiled Thangkhiew. Katkum kene ke kaiphod jingtohkit jong Justice Wi-Fi ulepen pau bagi jenis kera jogi pulet kedai kabala shule lemo kemda perkat bala penon kampalat pot eka bor hak pensyimsna ke jingim jong niunong elam berim ke HNLC. Lapan pauru baka tactical team 1 hak jing khenra ka dewan kami Bah Cheris nagi yang sa jong u hak khatlai trik unailar arhajar arpuai. Ndrai namar ke jing bambiang garu kom perkhat bala penon kampalat ega bor kabala lam sendan ka jing yap ya kabala bandang kiar. Ka operation kalong kabala plan bha ndrai ka jing pentre kampat kalong ke beduna bat ke bedko krem penon kam ke bor perkhat bat ke jing rung jubor pok ke yang hapeng ke jing dom bat bansim ke jing em ke jing bakla ke bajur bat ke pendrem ru ke jing tmu jong ke jing khenra. Ka kaiphod kala jing mut ban kiar ke jing khenra ki yang sa jong pat ba ke badan hasor ha ka por men miet nang bakat omdon ke jing do ye ke jing em jong ke balui lui bat ki pulet ki dalet khenra men miet haba kilet kumneru ki dai bandeng ya ki night vision device bat dai ban pendan kam da ki tear gas grenade habalet khenra ki yang ke badan hasor bat dai ban aji kai ki pulet alor ka hok long breu man breu. Katanat pulit jong Jela kala penti kena hak Inquiry Commission badai Bah Cheristerfiled ubapha ban pen bethai bom IED hak keleng gejaka hak Jela bat bandawa pisaru nagi hek spa kan thop wat nagi hek sarkar. Ka high level meeting jong hek pulit ke Jela habala bishar benia agi jingja kala betha ban kemno ayu Bah Cheris kenang bantek lakam ya ki jingja pen bethai bom ki batmu da ke HNLC.
Statements were also being made on behalf of the police officers involved in the police action, and disclosure of the names of these officers could seriously endanger their personal safety. So therefore, the Commission itself has recommended in their report that these names should not be made public in the interest of the safety of the police, number one, and number two, also because there are ongoing investigations that are there, and sensitive names of people who provided sensitive information based on which the entire investigation took shape and moved forward. Those names were there, and hence it would hamper the overall investigation in the larger overall interest of the public that those names be not made public. Hence, it is important to see that part of the report which is in para 34, 35 on page 27 in relation to what the situation was when the police had to make that call. And as I said, when there's an imminent threat of a bomb going off in a highly public dense location, the police had to act. Now in those situations, of course, the Commission has made a lot of observations regarding the process and the way it was done, and they suggested that it could have been done a different way. So definitely we have called for an explanation, and all the individuals involved here will be called for explanation, and accordingly, once we hear the other side of the story also, based on that, we will proceed further.
But the report had stated that the operation carried out was very well planned, but poorly executed.
Yeah, so that's what happens. As I said, you see, these kind of operations, one has to understand, are made under a lot of pressure. There is a time pressure, there's a pressure of worry that maybe the bomb has already been planted somewhere. There's a pressure of the fact that what else could happen. So you are working under tremendous pressure with time very limited and not knowing what's going to happen next. These situations must be taken into consideration while this happened.
But since death is involved, don't you think that a criminal case should be filed against police officers involved?
See, we'll have to see all those aspects of things. This is something we'll have to figure out. In the sense, after we call for explanation and everything.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.